Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Cosori Air Fryer Oven Combo, 5-quart. The best-selling 5-quart cosori air fryer features 13 different cooking functions that prepare your food at the best temperature and time. The non-stick air fryer basket is removable and dishwasher safe. This top-rated air fryer comes in several colors. I like the fact that, in addition to the 9 preset temperatures and times for various foods and tasks, you can also manually adjust times and select a temperature right up to 230 degrees Celsius, which is close to the max crisp temperature setting offered by one of the leading models in the market, enthused one Amazon customer who purchased the cosori air fryer. The high maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit lets you cook meals up to 50% faster than oven. Patented air whisper technology keeps noise levels under 55 dB for no disruption during dinner table conversation. Special feature, temperature control, timer, manual control, dishwasher safe, automatic shutoff, programmable. Product dimensions, 10.8-inch dx12 wx 14.4h. Color, gray. Capacity, 5 quarts. Material, tempered glass panel, plastic, metal. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD Clear Cook Air Fryer. If you want the convenience of air frying but don't have the counter space for another kitchen appliance, check out the Dash Compact Air Fryer. It's rated 4.5 stars at Amazon and comes in 3 colors. This air fryer is your most affordable option here. You can also find it in a bigger size if you like the vibe, but not the compact size. His air fryer has an auto shut-off function to prevent overcooking and it comes with a recipe guide. I'm very impressed by the design and usability, an Amazon reviewer says. While you can pay more for additional features, honestly, it doesn't need additional electronics or LED screen. Darn thing just works. Cook healthier, crispy food in a dash with TastyCrisp Express Air Fryer. This versatile electric air fryer uses air crisp technology, cooking food with hot air instead of oil, reducing added fat by 70 to 80%. The convenient mini air fryer is sized for any kitchen, making it easy to store or sit on your countertop without taking up too much room. The ample 2.6 QT capacity and redesigned crisper basket allows for greater surface area inside, ensuring perfectly crisp food every time. It's our easiest air cooker fryer yet, with a fixed temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Just load the non-stick basket, set the timer and get cooking. Whether you're cooking healthier for 1 or 2 or want a compact, mini air fryer for your dorm room or apartment, this size is ideal. It also features an auto shut-off function that prevents overcooking and a cool touch handle. Perfect for cooking, roasting or baking your favorite vegetables and frozen foods, this is a must-have for any kitchen. Number 3. Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD Clear Cook Air Fryer. Unlike many air fryers, the Instant Vortex Plus has an easy view window. Instead of opening the air fryer every 10 minutes to see if your food is crisping, watch it get that delicious crunch while it's air frying without letting all the heat out of your device. The Instant Vortex Plus can also roast, broil, bake, reheat and dehydrate food. This high-tech device even sends you messages about when to add and turn food. It has smart programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns and more. Don't like that sizzling sound? Good news! The machine muffles that sound for a more peaceful cooking experience. This Instant Vortex Plus has a ton of useful features, but top of the list has to be the Clear Cook window. The see-through window works with a perfectly placed light inside so you can check on cooking progress without opening the basket. The even crisp airflow technology delivers crispy, tender results every time with 95% less oil. 6 cooking programs give you one-touch access to easy recipes, but let you customize for yourself. And because the cooking basket and cooking trays are non-stick and dishwasher safe, cleanup is a snap. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer and Electric Pressure Cooker Combo. Does this appliance look familiar? The Instant Pot Duo Crisp is the Instant Pot Duo, but with the ability to air fry. It comes with a multi-level air fryer basket. If you're keeping count, the 11-in-1 Instant Pot Duo Crisp can do all of the following things: air fry, pressure cook, slow cook, bake, broil, roast, steam, saute, proof, sous vide cook, and warm food. It also has 11 customizable smart programs for cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. This Instant Pot is currently $154, reduced from $200 at Amazon. From the makers of the Instant Pot Duo series comes a pressure cooker with air frying capabilities. Pressure cooked delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, slow cook foods to tender perfection just like grandma used to make, and get all the crunch from deep frying but with 95% less oil in one multi-cooker. Seamlessly transition from pressure cooking and slow cooking to air frying with the included removable air fryer lid. With 15 built-in smart programs, you can prepare even more of your favorite dishes with the press of a button. Redefine cooking and enjoy quick and easy meals anywhere, anytime. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp offers the quality, convenience, and versatility you've come to expect from Instant. Discover amazing. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer and Electric Pressure Cooker Combo. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp comes with an air fryer attachment. The 8-quart model can accommodate a whole chicken, and the air frying temperature goes up to 400 degrees, pretty standard for an air fryer. You can use this Instant Pot to reheat French fries, experiment with a healthier version of fried chicken, make chicken wings, crisp Brussels sprouts, and so much more. What sets it apart? This Instant Pot has a premium cookware-grade inner pot with stay-cool silicone handles. That means you can take it from your Instant Pot to your stovetop. Cook and crisp like a pro with the Instant Pot Pro Crisp Pressure Cooker plus Air Fryer, the one-pot wonder that does it all with 2 innovative lids. It replaces 11 kitchen appliances: pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, sous vide, air fryer, roaster, mini oven, broiler, and dehydrator. With pro-level upgrades to the inner pot and lids including advanced heat protection, enjoy quick and convenient cooking with just a switch of the lid. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp offers the quality, convenience, and versatility you've come to expect from Instant. Discover amazing. Customizable air frying range of 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius, to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Number 6. NuWave Brio 7-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. The NuWave Brio comes in 6 and 15 quart sizes. It air fries, broils, roasts, grills, bakes, reheats, and dehydrates. The device features an easy interface, with a menu of 100 pre-programmed recipes. This 4.4-star rated air fryer also comes with a non-stick air circulation riser and reversible rack. When following cooking guidelines for this item is done properly, your food tastes better than it would if you use your own oven, an Amazon reviewer says. And it's healthier as well. Cleanup is also a breeze. Special feature: manual. Product dimensions: 15.1-inch dx 16.5 wx 13.1h. Color: black. Capacity: 7.25 quarts. Material: stainless steel.